What did you call me? Who do you think this is?
I'm thinking, God.
This is a woman.
Hello, it's a guy.
I'm a woman.
Oh, now I saying hi.
Where the fuck is Allie?
Fuck is wrong?
I go to College Place.
Right?
My name is Kiana.
Carly Dulles.
Right?
Yeah,
That's
really.
a big deal.
I'm a big giant black girl.
You know, that you people that
Yeah, I know that.
who are we with?
I don't know. I forgot I was high.
Who's your best friend?
What the fuck do you think my best friend is, bitch?
You're so fucking dumb, really fucking.
Do you like M&M's?
This is a bad Christmas present.
All over my penis?
I said yes, we would have that.
What?
He was having it. I can literally hear his back of that now.
Who? Adios, muchacho.